clear crystal lace 13x6 lace front human hair wig, wet and wavy version Brazilian wig 2-in-1 kinky straight to coily from Atina Hair.
Baby, I see you hanging with your friends, chilling day and night for days on end. Now you can't come see me tonight. Say you ain't got the time. I'm the last one you prioritize.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing great. So today I'm revealing this hair from Atina Hair. The hair is from straight to coily. His new clear crystal lace, realistic.
Life can be busy.
The wig came with some goodies. It came with a wig cap, a scarf, edge brush, and elastic band. So these are the goodies that came with the wig.
Done for me lately.
In my hand I have crystal lace, transparent lace, and brown lace. The crystal lace is the first one. You can see I apply my go-to big glue spray on it, and you can see it melt inside my skin. The second one is this transparent lace. You can see it clearly. It does not melt on my skin. And the last one is brown lace. The brown lace is still a little better, but the best among all is the crystal lace, which is the first one you'll see on my hand.
It's like you don't even try. I used to wonder why, but now I'm left with no more tears to cry. I know that.
So this is the wig. It came pre-plucked, and you can see the hairline.
It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love.
It came with an adjustable strap and inbuilt a strap as well.
Done for me lately.
And that is the wig. You can see it is real human hair. So the wig is 160. Is it 160? I'm coming. Let me tell you guys how many density. The density of this hair is 160 density, and it's 20 inches. The cap is medium size. So let me tell you guys more about this hair. One thing about this wig, the advantage is that you can carry this hair dry, straight, and if you want to, if you're tired of the straight, you can swear wet it and it will become wavy, that's coily. Okay, in their website they say please deep condition the wig when wet and dry it. This is 100% human hair wig. The hair is cut from the human donor, so it lost human nutrition. Please define coils, use good quality shampoo and conditioning product. Conditioning your hair is very important to keep it soft. Recommend using olive oil or argan oil. Deep condition the hair. The hair, this wig is from Atina Hair. I'm going to leave the link to this unit on the description box, so if you're interested, you can check that out. I use gel. You guys know I use gel because of my edges to install my wig. Just imagine you using glue on this. Okay, just see, I use gel, and you see how this lace melted inside my skin. That is just wow. One thing I like about this hair is really natural. It looks natural on me, and the hair is so soft, just like your natural hair. Gorgeous, that is it. I'm going to leave you guys to watch this video while I install this wig. Gorgeous, before you go, if you haven't subscribed, hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon. Thank you so much for doing that, and don't forget, I'm going to leave the link to this unit on the description box, and if there's any discount code, I will leave it as well on the description box. So dash to the description box. All the information about this hair will be on the description box, and I will leave the link to their website also on the description box. So that is it, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye.
Saw you paint a picture of a face face that wasn't even close to mine. I know I shouldn't be in love, but it's so hard to move on. You haven't changed, you stayed the same. But if you did, I'd still love you anyway. I'd give you the world like I promised I would. Even though you wouldn't do the same. I'd give you the world like I promised I would. Even though you wouldn't do the same. Had this conversation more than 10 times. After 9, I still wish you were mine. Haven't ate in 7 days, 'cause I've been up till 6 a.m. Wrote 5 songs all just for you. 3 of them I can't bear listening to. I'd give you the world like I promised I would. Even though you wouldn't do the same. I'd give you the world like I promised I would. Even though you wouldn't do the same. I'd do anything you want me to. 'Cause I love you.
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. 'Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, 'cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, 'cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where any day. Let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah, yeah, yeah. Better nights, better days when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all I crave, so I wonder, where are you, baby? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone, tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, nah, nah, nah. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down,